chicken roast. Heat oil in a pan. Add the chicken pieces. Shallow fry them. Strain and move them from the pan. Add onions to the same oil. Saute until it turns light brown. Add tomato paste. Saute until the raw smell leaves the pan. Add chili powder and pepper powder. Saute again. Add tomato sauce and mix well. Now add the fried chicken. Mix well to cover it in the masala. Add water. Cover the pan and allow it to cook. The spicy chicken roast is ready to be relished.